Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing, and if you're a continuing subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch another video, and welcome to all the new viewers on here. So today we're going to be trying out a new dish, and it's called ramen noodles. It's going to cost you around 34 RMB, and when I convert that into UGX, it's going to be probably 17,000 shillings. Yeah, so we have a little bit of broccoli, noodles, corn, egg. The egg is sliced into two, and a little bit of sesame seeds and tofu. Now it's packed in a very pleasant way. This way is really eye-catching. The broth is separated from the noodles, from the main dish. I think they do this because they don't want the noodles to sit for so long, so they will tend to lose that chewy texture in them. I don't think you would like to chew them in that state. So I can open this up with basically one arm. Look at how refreshing it looks. Presentation is awesome. Wow, look at that. The broccoli gives it some color, the corn gives it some color. It's a very colorful dish, so I'll get my chopsticks, open them up. I don't know how many of you love using chopsticks prefer using chopsticks to other cutleries like spoon and fork. So you got a little plastic spoon here and chopsticks. So I'll try to taste the broccoli. The broccoli is good. Barely cooked. I like the chewy texture, so I'll try to dip it into this broth or soup or the sauce, whatever you may call it. I feel a little bit of soy taste, so I want to try to dip these noodles into the bowl of broth. But let me first try the corn. Oh, the corn is very chewy, just like corn is. I actually love corn myself. From childhood till now, I'm a big fan of corn. So let me know down below, what time of the day would you eat such a meal? Would you have it for breakfast, for lunch, or dinner, or maybe brunch? Alright guys, I think I'm gonna enjoy this meal, and I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoy the video, if you enjoy watching this meal, you could give it a try. See you in the next one.